As the 2022 MotoGP World Championship approaches its midway point, the MotoGP travels to Germany for the Liquid Moly Motorrad Grand Prix Deutschland. And there's Fabio Quartararo's Catalan GP, where he throws down the gauntlet. After drama involved, important opponents Francesco Bagnaia and Enea Bastianini, as well as late race heartbreak for Aleix Espargaro, the 2022 FIM MotoGP World Championship leader is currently leading by 22 points. For the first time since 2012, it's time for a fresh name on the top in the Germany. Last year, it appeared unlikely that King of Sachsenring, Marc Marquez, would maintain his title, but he did, making more history in the process. Now that the number 93 is back on the sidelines following another major setback in his racing career, it presents a significant chance for those in pursuit, most notably Quartararo. The Frenchman's performance in Catalan GP was outstanding, and he is unquestionably at the top of the list of the contenders of Sachsenring title. Yamaha should be in a stronger position as well, with the tight and twisty circuit providing some relief from the long straights and horsepower measurement bouts of a recent venue. But will Quartararo be able to expand his advantage this weekend? Despite great stride towards perhaps the finest bike on the circuit, the Sachsenring remains a problem for Ducati in 2021. The location may be the only one remaining that still warrants a discussion of a factory suitable track, or it may not, depending on the circumstances. Last season, Bagnaia led the assault with Jack Miller close behind, and it was a struggle in a spot in the top 5, a long cry even from the recent past. What can Bagnaia do now to get back on his feet? Is it possible for Miller to reclaim its charm? Well, to know this, we'll have to watch the upcoming MotoGP season.